What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. I hope you guys have enjoyed this weekend, but you already know what time it is. It's time for us to get right back at it. Before we jump right into it, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notifications. Let's go ahead and get right to it. First one up is going to be ticker symbol HOOD. Let's get it. They had that big boom. We called this out in the video the other day, and you see if you took that play, they are continuing to run this thing up. They're at 41.40. If you are a bull, what you want to see, you want to see this thing keep moving. You want to see 41.70 get taken out. They can take out that. You got a few areas of interest at 41.90. Next level up is going to be 42.10. Next level up, 42.30. If they can get through that right there and close some candles above this, they can make a attempt at this level up here. Boom, you got 43.10 on deck. There you go to the upside, to the downside. If you plan this and you are a bear, what you want to see is 41.20 get taken out. They can take out that right there. They're going to run this thing back down to 40.90. Next level down, you got some areas of interest right in here at 40.75. They lose that right there. Boom, you're coming back down to 40.50. Next level down is going to be this stuff right in here at 40.40. They lose that. You got these bottoms right here at 40.10. Ultimately, they trying to get back to this stuff right here at 39.85. Expect that to be a heavy level where the bulls try to run that thing back up. If they don't, they're going to slow chop this thing. And here's their next level they trying to get to, back to $39 even. There you go with that one. If they start taking out those areas to the downside and to the upside, we'll call those out in real time in the Discord. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Palantir out there. Guys, shout out to everybody that played that Palantir call that I put out. You took that one, you made money in that one. They ran that thing up. Here we're sitting at 79.85 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than these tops right here. These tops is going to give them problems. You want to see them open somewhere around that 80.25 mark. They can do that right there. They can pop this thing all the way back up to this 81.40 level. That's a few different areas for you to pay attention to on the upside. That's Palantir. On the downside, what you want to see is these bottoms right in here get taken out. The first area of interest comes in at 79.60. They can break through that right there. You got these bottoms right here, 79.40. They break through that. You got this stuff right here, 79.10. Lose that right there. Boom, you coming down to 78.65. This is the area you want to see if you plan it to the downside. You want to see the bears close up under 78.50. If they can do that, they're going to drop this thing all the way back down to 77.90, and they can keep pulling this thing down. Again, we'll handle that in real time once we get to those areas right there. But guys, play what you see. If the trend is booming and the bears are getting a hold of this, stay bearish. If the bulls are pushing this thing up, stay bullish. Don't try to guess where the bear is going to try to pull it back or the bull is going to try to pop it, or use different candlestick setups to help you pay attention to that. If you're trying to get that bullish run up after the bears try to drop it down, look for a double bottom, look for tweezer bottoms. That way you can play off that pump right there. Look for green bullish engulfing candles if you're trying to ride it back up. Next ticker up, we're going to do RBLX. This is a good one. They've been booming this thing. I had a play in the Discord on this one. If you took that play, you could have rolled this up. Guys, a lot of people, you know, I'm a day trader, but don't get it twisted. I get down with swing trading too. That's not what my go-to is, but doesn't mean that I can't. I threw some plays out there, guys, that, like I said, I'm working on Fresh Squad thing, and all of these plays in the Fresh Squad are swing trades. So you guys that's rocking with me in that one, that's doing the pilot on there, you already know the plays that I've been giving out. They are not day trades. You can make money on the day trades, but they are swing trade. You take profit wherever you need to take profit at. But you see, I called this one out when it was at $57 and this thing boomed up to $61. That's a swing trade right there. You held on to it. I know somebody held on to it because I seen the message that you made money on that one right there. Good job there. But this is a rinse and repeat play as well. They have a lot of issues at that 61.55 area. Soon as they hit that area, it's like they hitting that ceiling and they getting smacked right back down, and they usually find their way back down to that $57 area. If you ever see this at the $57, $57.50, jump in some calls and ride that thing back up to $59, $60. That's a good play, and the contract's not expensive either. And you can buy 2 weeks. Anytime I jump into this play right here, I buy 2 weeks contracts because they're not expensive, and you can make some money on that right there. So that's just something to think about for you to play. 61.55, they start showing bearish tendencies and they getting smacked down. That's a chance for you to buy a put. 2 weeks out on it, ride it back down. If you see it at around $57, $57.50, 2 weeks out contract, ride it back up. You can rinse and repeat that play. I've been rinse and repeating that play for probably the last couple weeks. There you go in that one. Last but not least, we're going to give one more newbie beginner play. This one is an easy one. It follows Tesla. If you see Tesla booming, you already know this is following that same trend. And once we get to Tesla, you'll see that this same movement. If they follow in the bearish trend, if Tesla is going down, you already know this one is going to do the same. They're sitting at 28.15. You want to see them hold above 28.40. If they can start doing that, you're going to run this thing up to 28.60, 28.80. 29.10 and so forth. On the downside, you want to see these levels right here at 27.80 get taken out. They can take out that. You coming back down to 27.30. Next level down is this stuff right in here at 26.90. They lose that. Boom, you coming down to 26.50. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here, 26.25. If they lose this area right here, 25.90, expect that to be a heavy level. You see 25.90, if you in puts, I'd start trimming down some profit, secure that profit. You should be doing that anyway along the way, moving them stops down. That way you can preserve profit and make some money. But if they lose that, next level down is going to be some interest at 25.50, but they come in all the way back down to this stuff right here, 25 even. Next level down, boom, 24.50s. There you go. And TSLL, big baller shot callers, where y'all at? You guys that want to jump into the big baller plays, let's go ahead and get it. First one out of the gate for you guys is going to be ticker symbol SPY. We already in it. They're sitting at 591.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 592.20. Even better if they can open higher than these tops right here at 592.60. They can do that. They're going to run this thing even higher. You got some levels, but pay attention. You see this area right here? That's a top. Where are they at? This is another top right here. And here we sitting. Expect some drama once they get to there, because that'll probably create, if you will, a triple top for them to start coming back down. But if they break through that area right there, you look for 592.75. They start breaking through that. Next level up is going to be 593.40. They break through that. Boom, you got 595.10 on deck. Next level is going to be 595.90. They can hold this level right in here at 595.90. They're going to try to shoot this thing up. You got 597.02. Some areas of interest at 597.60, which will probably give some drama. Then they hold that. You got 598.30, and then boom, you got 599.55. We'll handle in real time once they start knocking down those areas right there. What you want to see with them on the downside, you want to see them open lower than 591.40. If they can do that, you got these bottoms right here, 591 even, and then boom, you got 589.90. Next level down is going to be this stuff right here, 589 even, and then boom, you got 588.10. Next level down is this stuff in here at 587.50, and then boom, you got 586.80. Next level, heavy level at 586.40. There you go. And SPY, next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. Guys, I put a play out there in Nvidia, and if you took that play, you killed it, because you see what they did. They ran that thing up, but you see where they sitting at. We got a top here. You got a top here. They bring this up. They going to hit this top at 144.95. That's going to be a heavy level. Expect the bears to try to pounce that thing back down. If they can break through that with engulfing candle or something, you got boom, you got 145.50. Next level up, 145.90. Then you got 146.40 on deck. To the downside, you want to see 144.10 open lower than that. They do that. Next level down is going to be these bottoms right here at 143.80. You got some areas of interest at 143.60. Next level down, boom, you got 142.85. You got some stuff right in here. If you are a bear, you want to see them lose 142.20. If they can do that, boom, you coming down to 140.75. So we'll handle that in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla, baby. We had a play out in the Discord. We walked Tesla down. We call the shots to the upside. And if you played the downside in the beginning of the session, you made money on the downside. We called that pop up off the 50 rejection, and they ran that thing. They went straight crazy. I think they went down to 382. They hit that 50 and it was lights out after that. They slow grind this thing all the way up to 411. If you are a bull, what you want to see 411, 90 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got a little bit more area of interest right in here at 413.30, and then boom, you got 415.10 on deck. Next area of interest is going to come in at 417.30. They break through that. Boom, you got 420.40, and then it's off to the races after that. But guys, I put it out in the video I dropped Friday night on Tesla. If you didn't watch that one, make sure you go back and watch that one. But it's an area of interest. You want to see them break through heavy at 411.20. They can break through that. Your next area, that 415 spot, you want to see the bulls rock that area right there. If they can rock that area, they're going to start booming this thing back out. But these two areas right here is what you're going to be paying attention to. They start losing that 410, that 411.20 area. They coming back down to this stuff right here. You got these middle pieces right here at 405.90. They start breaking through 405.90. You already know they coming back. You got this little piece right in here at 402.85. Next level down is going to be 400.60. And then they can really get going back to the downside, losing that area right there. You got 396.20 on deck, and then you got this little bowl right in here at 393.30. If they get that low, expect the bulls to try to bounce that thing back up at this area. This will be a heavy level, 393.40. The bulls will come on and try to pop that thing back up to this stuff up in here at 400.25. They start losing this stuff right here. Next level down is going to be 389, 390. Again, you already know, if you rocking with me in the Discord, I'm walking those plays down. I'm letting you know what's going on. Again, guys, it's setups that you can pay attention to before you decide to jump into a play, and always have a exit spot. It doesn't matter if I'm calling out these plays and I'm telling you it's coming to 415 or something like that. Always have your plan and stick to your plan. If you see some rejection going on and it start pulling back, have a stop loss set. That way it'll freeze you at that point right there. Find another entry. You see another candle, engulfing candle that you're interested in, jump back in that one and ride it back up. Me, I like the day trader status because I'm able to maximize profit. Once I see it hit a certain area, or I get to my certain area, if my area is 420.10, I'm taking out before it hits my area right there, because I know the bears is going to try to smack that thing down. And as they start going down and going back up, that's premium burn. I don't want nothing to do with premium burn. So I try to get out before that. The moral of the story is have a plan. It doesn't matter what trader tells you to do what, you have to have your plan set. And if your plan matches ours, that's more confirmation for you to be able to get into a play and dominate it. You guys that's watching this video that's not in the Discord, make sure you get in the Discord. That way you got full access to my morning call outs, as well as technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and join me in my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.